FunnyBone Live Abuja. Responsible.
Make some noise for the one and only MC Pashun. Pashun.
Abuja, what's up? Hey, go. Then Germany. 2 seconds everywhere, boss. You like my dressing? I just joined court. Hey, God. I just joined court, too. You want to know my court name? High Court. Now, there with the judge case. Hey, God. Sure, you know, say, now during transfer, now you don't know I shall rename. When you want to transfer, just sing Judea or to Ebulam. Now you can't answer. Now my friend tell me, not be me, not be me. My friend. I know they do I shower. I dey carry prostitute. Sure, you know, say all I shower they use pampe. Now they wonder why. They say we dey quick see a lot. My brother, no go do transfer when they no see a lot. They go follow you go walk. Oh. I shower don't follow one man go walk for VI. The man say I've sent it. Look at the debit. No be debit. I don't see credit. It's not about your debit. It's about me receiving it. The man said I'm going to work right now. He said I will stay in front of your work till I see it. When I see it, I will let you know. He said where I work is organized. He said so I know organized. I shall follow Oga go via work. She did get. Don't say visa shall we go no. The eyelash. It be like umbrella. The Oga, the MD. As the MD they come out, now you see the guy for gate. Wrong, go back. Who invited that girl? Who invited that girl? Now the person where they wait me, we send her money. Now you come meet the Oga. Sir, which person? There's a girl at the gate. Who invited her? He says, sir, do you know her? I've carried her before. Now you come say, Oga, I'm the one who I sent her some money. She has not seen a lot. Next time, pay cash. It happened to me. I nearly entered problem. My wife saw her. God, I beg you. Super Eagles. Reason why we know the feel win cup, they say we no get strikers. Now I don't know where they go keep all our strikers. They're there for tribunal. And I don't see anything with them bring the striker. Anything they strike. They will strike you to death. I swear, if to say that Ekwere Madu, organ harvesting case, if to say that Nigeria then do, that boy go to prison. If he even dey prison without him kidney. Hey God. A round of applause. Our president wants to donate 5 million eyeglass to Nigerians. Clap. Eyeglass. You know, say we dey drink garri, so that we no go blind. So that when you wear your eyeglass, so that when you're shaking, they come, you go see clear. This country no issue. God go help us. God go help us because I don't know. NDLA, the fire ambassador, and I go carry Naira Marley. God, I beg you. So if fella they alive, NDLA go carry fella's ambassador. NAFDAC approved Rizla. They don't tell us what to go eat and smoke. Now you go supermarket, go buy what NAFDAC approved. They go ask police go catch you. You go they show a NAFDAC number. They go say what you want go smoke. I don't know why they say that. God I beg you. Entertainment industry, round of applause for Afrobeat. When I know verse, apart from being a comedian, I'm an activist. I don't like bad governance. You know why? Nigeria is too rich. Nigeria rich past all the countries for the world. So the poverty, they vex me. Thank God, say, music, entertainment, no day for our government hand. Hey! If to say the Nigerian government, now you entertainment. He's down here for the drive Kia Picanto.
I'll be rich like that.
Yeah, take them down. Whiskey, where they see? Whiskey go to drive Korope. Una no Korope. One small motor will be saved and stone you. This one where they say African giant, Bonaboy, waiting for the drive, no go pass here now. Frustrate you. This country, they fraud. I don't see medical doctor. This country frustrate them until you open chemist. If you use verse, give you injection, you go paralyzed. Nigeria, they stress. I know, boy, I graduated 2012. I know somebody that studied banking and finance. Since 2012, you don't get work. You don't go buy umbrella, start POS. It depends now. I no person will study law. 2012, as he studied law, I dey see him for Loma. Where did they pack dustbin? Now I said, no, you studied law. Why are you working in Loma? Couldn't get job. I had to get something close to my course. Law, Loma. Many of these pastors where you see for this our country, no be God call them, and I don't call God. Oh. Now work no day. Oh. Then you go find half plot, buy canopy, put a high tension ministry, just start somewhere. Oh. Work no day. Oh. That's why they advise everybody, avoid problem. Oh. If you don't get money, no sue big man. Oh. No less more money we get for your account, they give you confidence. He do me some years ago, I get 600,000 for account. One big man make me vex. Now I tell the man, it's not by your money, I will sue you and you will rot in jail. Wait till they give me mine, 600,000. I pay lawyer 70,000. I dey think say one will go court, the next day, we go rot. I don't say that they are John case. They are John case, 2 years. My money finished. The man was soon, I can't carry me and my lawyer go court. God, I beg you. He go carry us go court, buy food for us, carry us go house. Now so they go adjourn case, he go carry us go court. My lawyer, idiot. He go still go court, go to stand. I put it on you, keep quiet. No put them again, ungrateful bastard. They put onto our helper. Now me go meet the man. Let's settle out of court. I don't tire. If you don't get money, avoid problem with big men. I don't see here. One man don't. Here and one big man they drive car park. He tell the man, this is my car park. The man say, I'm not fighting with you. My car is too big. That's why. The SUV is too big. Can we just have an understanding? Hey God. Where my money enter? Thank you. Who are you? In there under these stations. Oh, something tell us say they go throw money away the entire there. I don't know you. I know you are handsome, but people will find the thief well. In case you want to throw money again, they throw and come this side, men they carry them. So that I go know who I go call police for. Wait till they try to talk before. Car park. Now so this man go call police for a big man. He give police 20,000. In the expense, when police come, they will pull handcuff, carry the man go. When they call, they say, where's the man oppressing the poor? Where is it? They say they're upstairs. You think because you have money, you just oppress the poor. As the man, they go upstairs, now somebody blocking for road. They say, who are you? I'm the personal assistant of the man you want to see. And they give the 2 police 100,000. Police ask for waiting. There's anybody who wants your guy, they give a cola note. And that police tell the other one, so they spoil bad person name, good person name. Now so then they spoil good person name. If you say the man not do amenity, no. They enter inside the man's house. The man say, you're welcome. I have a little problem with him. I don't know why he's having anger issues. Sorry, I was about eating when you came in. Can we just eat? Pepper soup. That's police, we go job. Police will suffer 1 key. Police will eat. Then give police pepper soup with better Moet Chandon. Police drink Moet finish. The big man give their 300,000 again. Made them take. The man said they don't give the 100. He said that's a small thing. Say me that they go police station. The police stop the man. Say, sir, should we kill that man? God, I beg you. Money good oh. Igbo people there, cha-cha-cha, Igbo kwenu. Question oh. If you there, they sell boutique, avoid me. You go enter Igbo man shop where they sell boutique, you go they test shoe. Shoe never size you. From nowhere, in brother go just come out. Nah, see fitting. My brother, as that blue light they go, that shoe must size you. You no go carry that money come out for that shop. Now so I take buy oversize oh. My size now 42, I go buy 46 oh. Ebuka, avoid me oh. I wear shoe they come out, I be like Mickey Mouse. Igbo, Chukudi, not be one of my friends. 2 leg good that advise Igbo man promote crutches. Who is leg good buy? Igbo man avoid me. I saw one of my friends say, my brother, some things are not really expensive. If the seller like your face, they will reduce price. Say my help and thank God. Say buy bulletproof car 400,000. I said bulletproof. I said then test them. He said yes. Then use stone. Him brother call me 3 weeks later. Say him brother don't die. I said wait till kill and they say they drive straight bullet kill and you supposed to die. You are supposed to die. I said another one tell me say my brother everything must not be expensive. If you have a negotiation power, send buy deep freezer 7,000. I say they block. He said they until block. I said good. 4 weeks later, he called me my help and thank God. Oh. Say that deep freezer nearly shock your wife to death. The price no shock you. You and your wife supposed to die. Is it my time? I love you. Good night.
Make some noise for MC Pashun. Come on, make some noise. The boy know well.
It's FunnyBone live responsible.